How to add watermark in Figma. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a watermark in Figma step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on a device. After that, open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one where you want to add your watermark. To create a watermark, either use the text tool to type your name or brand or import a logo image into your design. Place the watermark in a corner or center of your design. You can also rotate it diagonally for a more secure look. Now go to right hand panel and reduce the opacity. Usually around 10 to 30% works best for a subtle watermark. Right click your watermark there and hit lock so it doesn't move while you work on other parts of your design. And that's it. This is how you add watermark on Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.